Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix unable to initiate call, please try again. So guys, if you're facing this problem on your WhatsApp and you are unable to call on your WhatsApp, here I will show you how can you easily fix this. So guys, for that you have to watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So as for that, simply open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on general and tap on software update. So as from here you have to simply update your software to the latest version if there is any update available for you. So I simply update it and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if you're still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you have to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So for that, open your app store and search here for WhatsApp. So I simply search here for WhatsApp, and from here download and install the latest version of WhatsApp in your device. So I simply download and install the latest version of WhatsApp and check if the problem is fixed or not. So if you're still facing this problem, then go for the next solution, that is you have to force restart your device. So for that, simply press and release the volume up button and then down button and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So I simply restart the device, and after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.